Welcome to Simaxsys. So right now I am showing you a demo of multi-vendor e-commerce solution. So in this solution you can see that offer comes up. So we can manage this offer from admin tool. Also we can set on which page we want to show this offer. So here you can see top bar login register. So here it is currency is there. You can manage it from admin tool and language. So you can see menu. So this is a mega menu with category, subcategory, and subcategory. So you can manage these menus from admin. So this is a sort of search bar. So this is a search bar with image and text. So you can search it. So after that, this is the slider. So can you can manage each and everything from admin tool. And here it's showing the featured products. So after this, it's showing the top sales. So top sales showing as a slider view. So here you can see multiple products. You can also change the images of that product from this, and you can also add it to wish list. So when you click it, so right now there is no any user logged in, so it will redirect to login screen to manage your wish list. So let me log in with one ID. So user logged in. Okay, so you can add to wish list, add it to wish list, and user can manage their orders wish list from this menu. So I can show you filters. Right now I select a t-shirt, so there is only one t-shirt, so you can filter it out using category, subcategory, and subcategory. So there is some brand filters there, so you can expand by click on a show more, and size and also color. You can also filter it by color. So let me show you all. There is also a price range slider. So you can also filter by price. So after this is a result comes in. So right now there is only 10 to 15 products. So page is one. So pagination is already there. So you can also sort it by name, by price low to high and high to low. So let me open one product. So right now you can see there is a black t-shirt, so you can also filter it by color. So each product, if each product has multiple variants, then you can open it that variants. So you can see it here, and there is also rating. So if there is any review, then rating will increase and decrease according to that. So there is a size. So right now there is only Excel size. So you can manage each product and its multiple variant from admin tool. There is add to cart as well as add to wish list. So add it to cart. So these are sort of notification. So this is some overview, and you can these some reviews already written, and you can also write a review. So you may like right now there is no any similar products. So if there is similar product, then it will show a slider there. So I clicked on add to cart. So one item added in cart. So you can check it out. So you can also increase decrease quantity from there. So there is item total. So total price will be for $50. So currency symbol you can manage it from admin tool. So it's depend upon your correct country. So which currency symbol you need. So you can also apply a promo code. Right now one coupon is created, new 50. So new 50 applied and pin code is applied up there. So that thing's applied. So you can proceed to checkout. So when you proceed to checkout, so all the descriptions are there, and you can add some address. So right now I'm adding a dummy address. So you can also add some notes about order. So there is payment gateway already created. You can change the payment gateway according to your need from admin tool. Right now, four payment gateways integrated. So you can pay online as well as cash on delivery. So when I click on pay online, so payment gateway opened. So it's depend upon the admin tool which payment gateway you integrated. So let's proceed. Net banking. So order placed. So you can click on view orders to check what's the status of order. There are some sort these orders already created. So right now this order is there. So you can also track the order and also you can view the invoice. So this is the invoice. For mobile applications, there is also APIs available. So these APIs we already exposed. User API, product API for listing the product, and this is sort of home APIs. So which API is required to develop a mobile app? So that API is already there. So it's depend upon you. So which you can also customize your APIs and you can also write new APIs. So it's pretty easy. So you admin can log in. So new vendor can also register with us. So we can click simply they can click on register as vendor. So right now I have one working ID, admin ID there. So you can log in. So here you can see the notification of one order received. So this is the order. So current status is pending. So you can also view the products. So this is the product, and you can also add the tracking of the order. So right now this dummy tracking I already added. So this is the admin tool. So you can also view new order in transit, delivered and returned. So this is sort of a graph. So how many total amount and how many count of the order is there. So this is a graph. So you can manage the currency in admin tool. So right now dollar and rupee already there. And you can create categories, subcategories. So while creating categories and subcategories, you can see that there is meta keyword and meta description is there. So according to category, subcategory, meta keyword and meta description will populate to front-end website for SEO. So you can also create brand, size, and color for product variants. So this is sort of product entry. I will show you by click on edit. So when you click on edit, so it will show you all the details. So you can add description, long description, short description, meta keyword description. So everything which need for a finalized product, all the options is there. So if there is a variant, then there is a checkbox has variant. So you can add multiple variants of this. So these are the slider images. So you can delete and add more slider images from there. And if there is no any variant added, then variant is 0. So right now two variant added of this product. So variant is 2, and you click on So color pink, black, size S, price is there. So you can also view how many fields are there. So there is some meta keyword and description according to that variant is there, and also some fields that is required for a product. And you can also change the slider images from there. Okay, so this is the order menu. So you can track your in transit, failed, delivered, returned orders. So you can track from this page. So you can import from Excel CSV. And this is the menu for sliders. So you can manage your sliders, and this is the URL. So when user click on a slider, so on which URL it will redirect. So this is the slider, and after that this is the pop-up entry. So page means that on which page that pop-up will appear. So you can simply copy that URL and paste it, so that pop-up will be pop up on that particular page. So this is the coupon entry. So you can create a coupon. So it's depend upon what type of coupon is there. So you can create a flat or a percent. So what's the discount value and what's the max discount amount, started, ended, and status. So after that started, ended, that coupon will not work. So there is a shipping charges. So you can also configure your pin codes or your postal codes. For example, if you want to charge more from this postal code, then you can configure it here. And at the end, this is the system setup. So system setup, you can manage your company name, address, keyword descriptions, and what's your default currency. You can change it from there. And what is your payment gateway, you can manage it from there. And this is the logo. So this is a sort of entry, and it also integrated with Firebase. So when new order placed, then notification will pop up. So it's depend upon which vendor product is sold. So it shows a notification according to that. So if user purchased two products from different vendors, then that order and that notification will pop up to both vendors. So this is a sort of demo of multi-vendor solution. So it's a code written in .NET Core 3.1 and SQL Server. So for notifications, we are using Firebase. So this is the code structure of multi-vendor solution. For notifications, we are using Firebase. So you can see that Firebase admin messaging is used. And for gateway, for payment gateway, for payment gateway, there is a separate client library. So there is only one method exposed, iPayment gateway. So process and complete order. So all the payment gateways using this method. So there is cash free, PayPal, PayU, and Razorpay integrated. So it is more structured. And for database, its database layer is there, and all the repositories are there. And this is our project. Main project. So this is our main controllers, and this is our API controllers. So in area you can see the admin controllers are there. So this is at the last there are models for entity and request response models, and enums, all the enums are there. So this is service. So controller interacting with service. So all the business logic are in service. So there is separate services for admin and front end.